I'm trying to keep her up. Yep. Another one.
Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin until 9:15 p.m.
Oh!
At 8:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Clinton, or 9 miles west of Delavan, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size
Quarter.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, Williams Bay, Fontana-On-Geneva Lake, Darien, Como, Pell Lake, Burlington, Springfield, Allens Grove, and Delavan Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Strong thunderstorms will impact Walworth, Racine, and Kenosha counties through